Several incidences of bullying have been recorded in many Nigerian schools. Bullying involves negative physical or verbal actions with hostile intent. It is sometimes intended to cause harm and distress for the victims, and it is repeated over time. To therefore nip this menace in the bud, this seminar was organized for counsellors by the Association of Professional Counsellors in Nigeria, Lagos State Chapter.
We have taken the counsellors through what the concept of bullying is. Why do people bully? What are the causes? Why do people bully? What are the different types of bullying activities that go on? And how can they, as counsellors, help in their school? How can they help, with the incidents of bullying in schools? How can they curb the incidents of bullying in schools?
You will know what to do. You will be able to identify, is it really a bullying case? And again, who is bullying who? Who is bullying and who is the bullied? And again, what are the you think might be the consequence and the way out of it, either to the persecutor or to the one being bullied? What can you do to save the situation? So the counsellor needs to know.
We want to train all counsellors in Lagos State to be able to identify the bullies among the students and those who have been bullied, and then modify all of them. That is, reduce the tendency to bully from those who are bullying others, and then make those who have been bullied to be assertive, to stand on their feet and not run away from their teachers.
The counsellors were sensitized on the causes of bullying, types of bullying, the harmful effects, and how it can be curbed.
We going back, I am the zonal coordinator of the Ikorodu zone. It's an avenue for us to gather, when we gather together, to replicate what we have been taught here today to other counsellors so they can make use of it in their various schools.
I and my counsellors were charged again to go back to our community, to our schools, to our local governments, to continue the sensitization in order to reduce to the merest minimum if we cannot stop it completely. And that is how to sensitize the children, let them know the effect of bullying it has on them.
The mantra these counsellors are asked to instill in their students is, do unto others what you want them to do to you. To reverse the ugly trend of bullying in schools, these counsellors are advised to be on the lookout for signs of bullying and address them promptly.